pinaka-first muscle is your gluteus maximus. Gluteus maximus. After that would be your gluteus medius and your gluteus minimus. After mo ma-retract ang gluteus minimus mo would be, ma-identify mo ang piriformis. Ang origin ng piriformis is from your sacrum, no? So, your piriformis would serve as your landmark for two sets of vessels. One is, in the superior border of your piriformis is the superior gluteal vessels, superior gluteal arteries and veins. Then, at the inferior border of your piriformis is your inferior gluteal vessels. Tapos, kanina siya, branches na ng superior gluteal vessels. Even this is a branch of your superior gluteal vessels. Even this one, mag-supply siya sa gluteus maximus. Panayan siya.
Branch of your
inferior gluteal vessels. After that, next na ma-identify mo is dalawang nerve. Yung pinakamalaki is your sciatic nerve. And the second one, pag may makita ka na nag-branch out siya dyan, nag-branch sa dalawa, is your posterior cutaneous femoral nerve.
Posterior cutaneous femoral nerve.
Next is your, identify mo, this is your, iba is ischium. So this is your ischial tuberosity. Kasi ito naman siya yung kinukuhan, di ba? Tapos this is your sacrum. So yung ligament na nag-extend from your ischial tuberosity to your sacrum is your sacrotuberous ligament. So pag tinanggal natin yan siya, pag niretract natin yan siya, ma-identify natin is two sets of vessels. One is your pudendal. Saan yung pudendal natin, Mark? Your pudendal nerve. Ang pudendal nerve is medial ang direction niya. Then, along with your papunta sa inus. Tapos, along with your pudendal nerve is your internal pudendal vessels. Next set would be your nerve to the obturator internus. Bale, yeah, this one. Lateral ang nerve to the obturator internus. Makita mo siya kasi papunta talaga siya sa ilalim. Papunta talaga siya sa head ng obturator internus mo dito banda. Tapos with that, meron kang vessels to the obturator internus. Yes. O kaya yung obturator vessels. Under this, you also have three sets of muscles, gamellus superior, obturator internus, and gamellus inferior. So, ang landmark natin dito is yung obturator internus. Pag galing siya sa ilalim, makita natin, part of the body. So, this is your obturator internus. Next is, superior to that would be your gamellus superior. Then, inferior to your obturator internus is your gamellus inferior. Then, under padyutan na, pag-ukayin natin siya, would be your, yung white, yung maputi dyan, that is your sacrospinous ligament. Okay.
The elevator.
Next would be our ischioanal triangle, or also called ischiorectal triangle. So, ang anal triangle mo has these borders. Medially is the levator ani. Levator ani muscle ang medial border ng triangle mo or ng fossa mo. Since wala naman yung fat dito sa kabila, kung tingnan mo, this is the fossa. Puro fat lang yan siya. Ischioanal fossa. Dito hindi pa kasi natanggal yung fat, pero pag tinusok mo ganyan, talagang fossa talaga siya. So this is the border mo, this is your levator ani. Tapos, sa medial border mo is your obturator internus. Tapos, ang base mo, or your inferior border would be skin and superficial fascia na yan siya. Ano pa, Mark? Then, at this part, sa lateral portion niya, lateral border niya, dyan mo na makita yung pudendal canal.
Kanal.
Yeah, the canal. Ano yan? Arcox canal. Ano yan siya? Arcox canal. Ano yan siya?
Pudendal canal.
Tapos next is, ano kanya identify pa
Wala.
Meron pa pala. Anococcygeal ligament. So, nag-extend siya from your anus to your coccyx.
Pero wala pa.
Saan
Parang
siya?
feeling ko sa ilalim,
Sa ilalim pa
Mark.
siya.
Sa ilalim pa siya, Mark. Kasi nandito pa yung dulo ng coccyx mo.
Ischial fossa yan nandyan, no? Yung butas.
Opo. Tapos, pag may makita kang skeletal muscle ng orientation niya is circular, or pag ganun siya, that is your external anal sphincter.
Okay. So, paano pag-stop?